Hello guys, what's up? This is Bradley. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to rotate an image from a portrait mode into landscape mode using Adobe Premiere Pro. Alright, so what you're gonna be doing, you're gonna open up your software, and once you're in your software, alright, the software that I'm currently using is Adobe Premiere Pro 2020. So when you're done opening up software, you're gonna come to new project and you're gonna hit OK. And once you're in, you're gonna input media. You're gonna click your portrait image over here and you can press open. And when you're done, you're gonna take your video, you're gonna click on the video and you can drag it into the timeline. And once you drag it into the timeline, you're gonna press on the video in the timeline, and you're gonna press on editing, and on effect on controls, you're gonna look for motion effect under video. And when you don't find this option here, you're gonna want to go to window and then you're gonna click on effect controls or press shift +5. Alright, once you're in this option here, you're gonna look for rotation. You're gonna click on rotation and you're gonna hit 70, and as you can see, the inner video has been rotated but the outside margins have not been rotated yet. So we're gonna fix that now. So what you're gonna be doing, you're gonna go to sequence, you're gonna press sequence settings, and as you can see here, on the horizontal it's 1080 and on the vertical it's 1920. So you're gonna put them in reverse. So you're gonna press by 1080 and you're gonna type in 1920, and by 1920 you're gonna type in 1080. And then when you're done, you're gonna hit OK and press OK again. As you can see, the video has been changed or rotated from portrait into landscape. Alright guys, thanks for watching.